We are watching as Clara Chandler tries to get her prey. Hush. Her prey of the day is the humongous bag of Hershey Kisses that has been locked inside her mom's office. We watch. Claras are known for using tools to help get their food. Right now, Clara is using one of the wands from Seussical or something, I don't know.